Alright guys, I just wanted to show you the new front end on my C7 Z06. I had the bottom chin or lip, or however you want to call it, painted carbon flash metallic to match the rest of the black on the car. I think it really makes a cool, unique look. Because before with the stock, you know how it looks stock, I'll throw up a photo right here. It just looks like a big whale mouth that's smiling. Still looks cool, but I think this just makes it look really unique. Kind of gives it almost a GTR type feel, but completely changes the look of the car. It cost me $300 at a shop to paint it. He didn't even have to remove the bumper. He just masked off everything and sprayed it. Threw it in the oven. Anyways, yeah, just wanted to show you this quick clip because I think it really kind of reduces the amount of red on the car. I'm also going to be putting some black Z06 wheels on it just because the wheels are the only chrome on the vehicle. And then I'm going to be doing some rear diffuser fins on the back bumper. So anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. I just wanted to show you the front end. I haven't seen too many Corvettes that do this, and it's just an easy, cheap mod and really makes it look badass in my opinion. I'm probably going to paint the tow hook too black to match it. So we'll hope to see you in the next video, and please give this video a thumbs up if you thought it was worth watching. All right, bye.